When growing lettuce for our own use, we don't need to cut the head off like most farmers do and we find in restaurants, etc. All we need is to cut the lower leaves so that the lettuce will keep on giving us a healthy crop throughout the season. Obviously it won't give us leaves in eternum, but it will give us a healthy amount. So let me lower the camera so you'll see what's happening. So here we have a lettuce, and as you can see we've already harvested a bit, so all we need is to keep harvesting around it. So this one's the next leaf, so we just go down and bend it. That way, instead of harvesting everything, we just harvested a couple of leaves, so we can always have fresh leaves on our plates. Hope you've enjoyed this small video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.